All right, go, buddy.
Shit. Holy
Yeah.
crap. So that's a fucking RIP round.
I heard shit whizzing. Let's go see what happened. Did we aim for the target?
Here are the fucking shards. Or not, where the fuck did they go?
Oh wait, that was one of them right there. No, wait. We shot it. I mean, well, it needs something hard to impact.
Yeah, here's where I got these right here.
All right. Fuck. All right, well, hold the camera so I can go. I'm gonna aim for these little things right here.
It feels way different when you fucking shoot an RIP round.
Really? What's it feel like?
Like it feels like heavy at first, but then it's like complete relief. Like then you just see like shit spread.
Oh. All right, here we go. This fancy brass shit. All right, live.
What?
I just got hit with something.
A casing.
Something like that. Empty.